Hi viewers, today we are going to see about the smart integrated facility management or smart building maintenance. Because due to emerging of several technology systems nowadays, it is necessary to introduce such a system in the integrated facility management also. It is a necessary evil. We can't avoid it to implement the system in the integrated facility management. While implementing or introducing this technology in the integrated facility management, it is called a smart integrated facility management or smart building maintenance. Artificial intelligence, automation, reality, augmented reality, virtual reality, blockchain management, machine learning. These are all the some of the important existing systems. Let us see these systems here. The artificial intelligence means here the program which are installed in the system. These systems which are installed in the machines for acting as like as the human being execution. The machine learning, it is a branch subject of the artificial intelligence. Here, for ensuring the artificial intelligence, they are concentrating only on the algorithm and the database. For initiating the artificial intelligence to act as like as the human being in action and things or thoughts. But in the reality of augmentation and virtual reality, they are giving the training to the employees for execution of the particular issues. So it helps to employee to identify the issues which he did not have the opportunity to solve the issues in the earlier. In the blockchain management, it is used in the contract management and supply chain management. In the blockchain management, there are several blocks are there. In each and every blocks, there are data and the information and the ID of a particular block and the earlier block. So these blocks are interlinked with the chain. In the automation, there are a lot of robots and drone which are being used for execution of the integrated facility management. For introducing this technology in the integrated facility management, the sustainability of integrated facility management must be necessary. For sustainability, it is necessary to frame a strategic planning by an expert facility manager and his team with the help of the company goal and motivation. Apart from these, some other important factors which should be always keep in the mind for planning the strategy of, for framing the strategy of sustainability. They are waste management, recycling of water or recycling of resource, design and technology, and power consumption. While we are keeping in this concept in our mind, we have to create a very good sustainability in the integrated facility management for implementing this technology. In the waste management, they have to plan how to recycle the resources. So it helps for cost saving and the consumption of the energy. Instead of the sodium vapor lamp, they should introduce the LED lamp for power consumption. And water consumption. The team, integrated facility management team, must be known how to harvest the rainwater and design in technology. It should be based on the willingness of the tenant who are going to be occupied or who are occupied in the concerned building. So due to this, what are all the significance gain which are going to be received by the employees and the employee? Cost saving is the first one. Then power consumption, water conservation, and recycling of the sources. Let us see some of the revolutionary machines or the systems in the integrated facility management. IoT. What do you mean by the IoT? Internet of Things. So each and every systems in the integrated facility management should be linked with the internet by Wi-Fi connection. So due to this IoT, a manager, he is sitting in his chamber, he must be known all the events what is going or what are going in the site by way of collecting the reports from the IoT. In the automation and robotic, with the help of the algorithm and the database, they should be known earlier what are going to be happened on a particular machine. So they should do the proactive approach here. And though we have a lot of benefits due to implement of the revolutionary systems or machines in the integrated facility management, we have a lot of drawback also, especially the cyber threatening. Due to the cyber threatening, how we have to avoid this one? So we have to give the proper training to the employee how to handle this situation and update the system now and then. And we have to give the training to the employee how to handle the situation. Hence, due to emerging of lot of technology to be introduced in the integrated facility management, we should have a lot of benefits. It is unavoidable, it is a necessary evil to introduce in the facility management. We can't avoid it. We have to get a lot of benefits on trial basis. It has already introduced in the European countries and they are getting a positive response also. In the developing countries also they have introduced. Still on forthcoming days we are going to introduce a lot of technology in the integrated facility management for getting a very good result. Thank you very much. Bye.